Hello everyone, so today we'll be starting with our left hand exercises. Let's get started. So this exercise is also called 1 2 3 4 exercise. So with our first finger we hold our first fret of E6 and we play down from our right hand. Then we hold second finger on second fret of E6, then we play up, then third finger third fret of E6 down, fourth finger fourth fret of E6 up. Same way we play it on A string, 1 2 3 4. Again same on D, again same on G, again same on your B, again same on your E1. So don't forget your right hand will always move down up, okay, always alternative. So this exercise is called spider exercise or 1 2 3 4 exercise. So now reverse, we'll play 4 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1 on E1, then on B, then on G, then on D, A, then your E. So your whole exercise will sound like